Hello, everybody. It's Linda, the old bird, showing you this beautiful sky. You know, I always tell you, keep looking up. Well, guys, I wanted to quickly show you what I'm doing today. I got my Christmas lights up. Got my Christmas lights up. For those of you I didn't tell, December's a long way away. So I thought I would celebrate, Christmas a little early. And there's my trusty handy dandy partner there, giving it all he's got, sleeping up a storm, Snowball. Now this is the project. All of this dirt he brought up on the porch. Look at his paws. Oh, now he's stretching. I declare. Look, you see this? I just got it. It's my new train. I got my new train, and I saw this. That's my leg, everybody. I'm sorry. I saw this online. Oh, I can't get it open. Let me see. The lady had the electric train, and she decided to paint her train gold. There it is. I'll show you. That's the little thing that was on the paint. She decided to paint. Now my camera's messing up. Can you see it? Her train gold. Well, it looked good to me. So this is what I bought. I ordered the train. That's the toy train. Now the tracks and everything came with it. And I ordered this metallic paint. Now it sprays on any kind of surface. But you see right here, it says plastic. And I thought, what better way to paint this train, to try to get this painted before my husband gets back, than to paint it with you. So here we go. Let's see. There we go. It's coming out. Okay, let's see. Looking good. Okay, my trusted partner woke up. This is bothering him. There we go. That one looks good. See? Sinking to rise no more. Okay, that's the engine. I got it done. Look at my trusty friend. It bothered him for a split second. And then he said, oh, the heck with it. I guess I'll go back to sleep. Sinking to rise no more. There we go. Shake it up. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Now, why did I choose this Rust-Oleum? And if it's anybody from the Rust-Oleum company that will ever see this video, let me tell you, this is the best paint ever made. Let me show you. Now, I'll give it a second coat. This is the best. Let me tell you about this paint. My neighbor gave me an old cast iron chair. You know, the little bistro chairs that they come in white. And she said, Linda, I'm getting old, and I want you to have something, and I'm going to give you this little chair. Chair weighed a ton, cast iron. And I said, okay, if that's what you want to give me, I'll take it. And they had just come out with this, and I bought it in white. Spray painted that chair 2 or 3 coats. Guys, that's been 38 years ago. And that chair, I had it sitting in front of our church. That chair, the last time I saw it, looked brand new. This right here, Universal Advanced Formula, is the best paint ever made. And the chair's outside now. I'm telling you, you see all it covers? That's why I'm spray painting my train with it. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Now, what I'm not liking is the color almost of the top. So I'm hoping the second coat, it will brighten up some. It's looking kind of brown. You see? You know how gold will do. So I'm hoping that it will brighten up some. Well, guys, I don't know what you have on your schedule for today. But I'm going to tell you like I always tell you. Keep looking up. God is so good to us. Have an amazing day. This is Linda, the old bird, down on the farm. I'm up today, guys. God bless you.